We'll talk about things you should do, some of the typical problems, but I'm very excited because you're going to see what you need to do to pass and how a typical American driver goes to the next level and learns how to drive. So you have to educate people on what to do. We're trying to teach independence, not dependence, because when you get your license, it's going to elevate you. You're going to have to get a job because fuel is very expensive. Tires, oil. We had a client the other day purchased 4 tires and an oil change for about 220 US dollars. Tires weren't that bad. They had about 60 to 55% tread left, but they were better than what he had. So each of you, if you drive long enough, will go through that situation where you're going to have to do your maintenance. If you don't know how to do those things, you're going to have to pay someone. So I'm happy. It's a motorcycle. I'm happy for the client, but it takes money, gas, oil changes, tires, brakes. A lot of people want to drive, but they can't afford a car. So, and then the insurance on top of that is very expensive also. So if you're under 24, then you're going to pay a lot of money. If you're over 24, then it depends on where you live, how much you drive. The insurance industries have a secret formula. If you live in a country, less traffic, less chance of your car getting hit or stolen, then you'll pay less. If you live in the city, urban, Detroit, Michigan, Houston, Texas, Los Angeles, California, they pay very high insurance. So there's so many things to consider. So I understand why a lot of people are not driving. They're simply being dropped off, and you just have to plan. You need a job.